Hello YouTube family, let's prevent a solution given this nice exponential equation, which is 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x is equal to 12. So what is the value of x? Now, solution from here, we have that 3 raised to power x, as you can see, is common. So we factor 3 raised to power x, we'll have 1 plus 1. This is equal to 12, okay? So we'll have 3 raised to power x multiplied by 1 plus 1, which is 2. This is equal to 12. So we divide both signs by 2, so that we'll have 3 raised to power x. This is equal to 6, okay? Now from what we have here, so for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm such that we'll have log 3 raised to power x. This is equal to log 6, okay? Now log 3 raised to power x, this is in the form of log a raised to power n, which we can express as n log a, okay? Now from applying this property, this logarithm property, log 3 raised to power x will be expressed as x log 3. This is equal to log 6. We divide both signs by log 3, so that x is equal to log 6 divided by log 3. That x is equal to log 6 divided by log 3. Now we can express 6. We can express 6 as basically 2 times 3. Now if you say 2 times 3 is the same thing as 6, okay? So let's substitute this. We'll have x is equal to log 2 multiplied by 3. Divide this by log 3. Now you can see that log 2 times 3, this is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which can be expressed as log a plus log b. Now let's apply this logarithm property so that we'll have x is equal to log 2 divided by log 3 plus log 3 divided by log 3. Now if we simplify here, we'll have x is equal to 1 plus, now log 2 divided by log 3, this is actually in the form of log a divided by log b, which you can express as log a to base b. Now let's apply this property. We'll have log 2 to base 3. Now this is the value of x, okay? Now let's check if this value of x actually satisfies the equation, okay? So let's check this, okay? Now as you might recall, we end that 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x. This should give us a value of 12, all right? Now we simplify this further to 3 raised to power x. This is equal to 6, okay? Now substituting the value of x, this is 3 raised to power, we have 1 plus log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 6, okay? Let's check. Now as you can see, 3 raised to power 1 plus log 2 to base 3, this is in the form of a raised to power n plus m, which you can express as a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. Now let's apply this indices identity so that we'll have 3 raised to power 1 multiplied by 3 raised to power log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 6, okay? That's 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power log 2 to base 3. Now 3 raised to power log 2 to base 3, this is actually in the form of a raised to power log b to base a. This is the same thing as it will this, you're going to get a value of b. Now applying this logarithm property, we have 3 raised to power log 2 to base 3, which will give us a value of 2. Now let's substitute this value of 2. We have 3 times 2. This should give us a value of 6. 3 times 2 is equal to 6, which is equal to 6. So that means that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, okay? And that affirms that the value of x, which is equal to 1 plus log 2 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly like this video, share and comment, and kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.